the Graafian follicle. Low concentration of LH, low concentration of FSH, high concentration of estrogen, high concentration of progesterone. Correct answer is option C. Graafian follicle produce high concentration of estrogen. This estrogen stimulates the anterior pituitary to release luteinizing hormone, and this luteinizing hormone will cause the release of ovum in ovulation process. So correct answer है option C. Question number 2. Membrane that give protection to the embryo from external shocks is amnion, allantois, chorion, placenta. Correct answer is option A. Amnion immediately surrounds the embryo when it is first formed, and it has amniotic fluid in it that acts as a shock absorber, so it gives protection to the embryo from external shocks. Question number 3. Which of the following cells provide nutrition to the sperm? Germinal cell, granulosa cells, Sertoli cells, Leydig cells. Correct answer is option C. Sertoli cells provide nourishment and blood supply to the sperm. So correct answer है option C. और इसी तरह से एग को जो nourishment provide करते हैं वो हैं granulosa cells. Question number 4. Pregnancy begins with the implantation of embryo, fertilized ovum, blastopore, blastocyst. Correct answer is option D. Pregnancy begins with the implantation of blastocyst within the endometrium of uterus. Question number 5. Sperm enters the egg from animal pole, vegetal pole, micropyle, megapyle. Correct answer is option A. Animal pole of egg contain nucleus and sperm enter from this side. So correct answer is option A. Question number 6. Cleavage differ from mitosis because in cleavage there is no growth phase. In cleavage, consumption of oxygen increases. In cleavage, nuclear cytoplasmic ratio increases. All of the above. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. माइटोसिस के अंदर ग्रोथ फेज होती है जबकि क्लीवेज में कोई ग्रोथ फेज नहीं है. इसी तरह से माइटोसिस के अंदर ऑक्सीजन कंजम्पशन इतनी ज्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं होती एज कंपेयर टू क्लीवेज. सिमिलरली माइटोसिस के अंदर जो न्यूक्लियर साइटोप्लाज्मिक रेशियो है वो भी सेम रहती है जबकि क्लीवेज में ये इंक्रीज होती है. तो ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है. ऑल ऑफ द अबव आर द रीजन व्हाई क्लीवेज इज डिफर फ्रॉम माइटोसिस. Question number 7. Temperature in scrotum necessary for sperm formation should be 3 centigrade above the body temperature, 3 degree centigrade below body temperature, 5 degree centigrade above body temperature, 6 degree centigrade below body temperature. Correct answer is option B. Ideal temperature for sperm production is 34 degree centigrade. That is 3 degree below the body temperature. Our body temperature is 37 centigrade while sperm production needs 34 degree centigrade temperature. So correct answer है option B. Question number 8. When egg is not fertilized, yellow colored corpus luteum degenerates to form corpus albicans, corpus callosum, corpora bigemina, corpora quadrigemina. Correct answer is option A. When there is no fertilization, corpus luteum is further broken down into corpus albicans. So correct answer is option A. Question number 9. How much blood is lost during menstrual cycle period? 25 to 100 ml, 50 to 150 ml, 75 to 175 ml or 20 to 75 ml. Correct answer है option D. Almost 20 to 75 ml of blood is lost during each menstrual cycle period. Question number 10. Which of the following tissue layer covers the ovary? Columnar epithelium, squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, ciliary epithelium. Correct answer is option C. cuboidal epithelium layer covers the ovary, which is also known as germinal epithelium. Question number 11. What is the structure consisting of mature ovum and its surrounding tissues called? Mature ovum, ovarian follicle, Graafian follicle, corpus luteum. Correct answer is option C. Graafian follicle consists of mature ovum and surrounding tissues. Question number 12. 60% of semen is produced by Bartholin gland, Cooper gland, seminal vesicles, or prostate gland. Correct answer is option C. Almost 60% semen production is done by seminal vesicle gland. Question number 13. At the time of delivery, which hormones stimulate more frequent and powerful contraction of uterus? Oxytocin and prostaglandin, estrogen and progesterone, oxytocin and vasopressin, estrogen and prostaglandin. Correct answer is option A. At the time of delivery, maximum and powerful contraction of uterus is caused by ऑक्सीटोसिन एज वेल एज प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन।
क्या आप नीट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं? अब पढ़िए एलन ऐप पर, जहां एआई टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Early embryonic stage that follows blastula is morula, amphiblastula, radula, gastrula. Correct answer is option D. Gastrula is the early embryonic stage that is immediately formed after blastula. So it follows blastula. Correct answer is option D. Question number 15. The cavity contained in Graafian follicle is antrum, centrocole, blastocole, or cantillon. Correct answer is option A. Antrum is the cavity of mature follicle or Graafian follicle. Question number 16. Shortest phase in menstrual cycle of woman is secretory phase, luteal phase, ovulatory phase, or follicular phase. Correct answer is option C. Ovulatory phase is the shortest phase of menstrual cycle, while secretory phase is the longest phase of menstrual cycle. Question number 17. Chemical substance present on the surface of sperm is hyaluronidase, anti-fertilizant, agglutinin, or fertilizant. Correct answer is option B. At the surface of sperm, anti-fertilizant is present, while fertilizant is present at the surface of egg. Question number 18. In oogenesis, which cells are produced at the end of multiplication phase? Primary oocytes, secondary oocytes, first polar body, second polar body. Correct answer is option A. Multiplication phase or mitosis. At the end of mitosis, oogonium is further modified into primary oocyte, which is diploid cell. So correct answer is option A. Question number 19. The fluid within the blastocyst is formed by the cells of blastomere, trophoblast cells, inner layer of blastocyst, none of these. Correct answer is option B. Trophoblast layer cells formed fluid within the blastocyst. Question number 20. On which day of menstrual cycle does ovulation occur? 12th day, 13th day, 14th day, or 15th day? Correct answer is option C. On 14th day, ovulation occurs. Question number 21. The embryo with the 16 cell stage is called blastocyst, blastomere, morula, cleavage. Correct answer is option C. Embryo with 8 to 16 cell stage is known as morula, and it looks like a mulberry fruit. Question number 22. What is the normal pregnancy period in human? 266 days, 280 days, 270 days, 275 days. Correct answer is option B. 280 days is the normal pregnancy period in human, that is equal to almost 38 to 40 weeks. Question number 223. Which hormone is not produced by placenta? HCG, HPL, estrogen, relaxin. Correct answer is option C. Estrogen hormone are primarily produced by ovaries, not placenta, although little amount is produced by placenta as well. So correct answer is option C. Question number 24. Spermiogenesis changes spermatogonium to primary spermatocytes to secondary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes to spermatid, or spermatid into sperm. Correct answer is option D. Spermatids are immature sperms and they are changed into functional sperm during sperm maturation process known as spermiogenesis. So correct answer है option D. Question number 25. Failure of descent of testis in scrotal sac is called vasectomy, cryptorchidism, impotency, or none of these. Correct answer is option B. If testes are failed to descend in scrotal sac, then this is known as cryptorchidism. Question number 26. The most primitive type of mammalian placenta is epitheliochorial, syndesmochorial, endotheliocorial, or hemochorial. Correct answer is option A. Epitheliochorial is the most primitive type of mammalian placenta. Question number 27. What is the entry point for blood vessels and nerves into the ovaries called? Cortex, hilus, medulla, none of these. Correct answer is option B. Hilus is a point on ovaries from where blood vessels and nerves enters within the ovaries. Question number 28. Follicular cells surrounding the human egg constitute zona pellucida, vital line membrane, corona radiata, zona radiata. Correct answer is option C. Follicle cells that are surrounding the human egg constitute corona radiata, and corona radiata is formed outer to the zona pellucida. Question number 20. Where is the uterus situated? Between urinary bladder and rectum, between urinary bladder and urethra, between urinary bladder and ovary, between urinary bladder and intestine. Correct answer is option A. Uterus is situated between the urinary bladder and rectum. Question number 30. Identical twins are also known as monozygotic twins, dizygotic twins, fraternal twins, both B and C. Correct answer is option A. Identical twins are also known as monozygotic twins. So correct answer है option A.